Lou Malnati's Pizza is a Chicago institution.
We're using the same recipe that we used when we first started back in 1971.
What is so special about it is a couple of things. I'm a huge appreciator of the Lou's thin crust. I am a thin cruster. It's just the way I roll. Sorry, Chicago. It's not like a New York pizza where it's so thin and you have to fold it in half. I like the thickness that it's sort of a medium thick kind of pizza.
Our thin crust pizza is made with our famous butter crust. It's the same dough that we use in our deep dish.
You don't want to overwork the dough.
From there, we put down a layer of tomato sauce, which is specially canned for us each year out in California.
It's all the ingredients are really high quality. When I get a Lou's pizza, I get a loaded pie. I get pepperoni, sausage, peppers, onions, black olives. Everything is like very evenly proportioned. So they start the pizzas in a really hot oven.
After about 15 to 20 minutes, we take the pizza back out and we put all the mozzarella cheese on top. Then we put it back in for another 5 to 6 minutes so that the cheese gets golden brown.
They've really paid attention to detail about how to get a crispy crust, how to get the brown cheese, how to make all of this pie come together so it's a unified thing. And I always order my pizzas well done. So it's like the bottom, the crust is super crispy, crunchy. The cheese is actually like brown, so it's like, you know, the outside edge of like when you get a grilled cheese sandwich and a little bit has come out. Brown food tastes good, and it really scratches an itch for me. My other favorite thing about a Lou's pizza is how they cut it. They cut it in squares, in like the checkerboard sort of cross section. And then I work my way in with the sausage and the pepperoni and the onions. Oh, and mushrooms also. You get the earthy mushrooms. The flavors just come together. Lou Malnati's really scratches that itch. My absolute favorite.